everyone and welcome back to Environment with Em. My name is Emily and this is my channel where I will talk about environmental issues and how you can live a more sustainable life. And this video is about preparations for the 3 weeks long plastic-free challenge. And I hope you've all decided to join me in this challenge because today I will share some tips and tricks of how you can survive successfully these 3 weeks being plastic free. So please hit the red subscribe button before we move on to today's topic. Okay, so it's Thursday now and I am gonna start the plastic free challenge on Sunday, I've decided. And I will upload this video on Monday. I will already be doing it by then. So I wanted to talk to you about some things that you need to have for this plastic challenge, or how you can prepare yourself for the plastic challenge. The first step is to think about, okay, where are my disposable plastics in my life? When and where am I using them? And I'm pretty sure that food shopping is one of the biggest one. At least it is for me. So if you don't buy like a million clothes or a million beauty products or makeup or something every week, then I'm pretty sure that the food will be like the biggest amount of packaging you bring into your house every week. So if you want to shop plastic free in a food shop, it's not impossible. A lot of containers for say rice or beans are plastic free. So that doesn't have to be that hard, and you can hopefully buy a lot of fruit and vegetables in bulk. But if you're not prepared when you go into the food shop, you will get the plastic anyway. So you need to be prepared. So here I got a bag that we are using every week when we're going shopping. So we got some like big bags for the food, for everything. But these ones are really good for the fruits and vegetables. So we got 2 kinds here. So this one, I need to wash this one. But I think I bought these ones like 2 years ago. And it's... I'm not sure about the brand. It's like All Table or something. And I got these for Christmas from my sister, and these are called veggie zero or veggie O or something. Well, as you can see, I don't know. But these are really good. If you don't have these, or if you don't have the money to buy them or don't have the time, maybe you have these washing bags or whatever they are called. And I think you can definitely use these as well. And they are big, so they are good for, fruit and veg, but also like bread or other things that you might be able to buy in bulk from your local food shop. Okay, secondly, I want to talk about other things that you might be using a lot of in a week related to food. Sometimes I make smoothies for breakfast, and then I prepare them the night before and want to put them in the fridge. And I know you can buy like good glass containers with a lid on, and some of them got like a hole in the lid where you can put a straw, a reusable straw. But I don't have them, and well, I'm just putting them in the glass I'm gonna drink them out of. So I've been using plastic film before, and that's really bad because you can't recycle that, so shouldn't do that. So I bought these instead, and these are made of like this some kind of beeswax material, yeah, it's really good. You can reuse them many times, and yeah, they work like plastic film. So they are good. If you are a person who likes to have your coffee in the morning, buying it on the way to wherever you're going, Well, first, it's better if you're making it at home. You will save a lot of money. But if you're gonna buy it, well, bring a reusable cup. This one is plastic, unfortunately, but I don't drink coffee, so yeah, I'm not really using this one that much. But it's good instead of using disposable cups. Okay, so let's leave the kitchen for now and move into the bathroom, because here we got a lot of plastic. So this challenge will be for 3 weeks. I don't think that I will have to buy that many new things during the 3 weeks I got. I'm not gonna get rid of plastic containers with products in them, because that's really a waste. But if you have to buy something new during this time, you should buy it plastic free. So the first one is a toothbrush. And I've said before that it's better to buy a bamboo toothbrush than a plastic one. So that is something that you should buy if you have to buy a new toothbrush. And instead of buying like a plastic toothpaste container or tube, then you can make your own one. I haven't tried that actually. And I'm probably gonna do that, and then I will show you. But I know you can make toothpaste out of coconut oil, baking soda, and some peppermint extract to make it, taste minty. So you should try that if you run out of toothpaste during these 3 weeks. So I have recommended this one before, but this is from Lush. It's a conditioner, don't know what they call it, hard conditioner, soap, whatever. They got shampoo as well, and today I found like a hair oil treatment without packaging, just like similar to this one, that you can buy from Lush. So I will buy that, and I will come back to you about them, see if they are good. But okay, so these are the most important things. Make sure that you don't buy any more plastic. But if you got some more money or time, or want to put some more effort into this, there might be some other products that you want to use and replace the plastic products that you got. So this one is good. Don't have a plastic bottle. Buy a proper one. This one will last you for a really long time, and just take that one with you all the time, so you don't need to buy any bottled water. I got this one, show you that one before as well, instead of a plastic one, so that's a good option. It's also nice to get rid of the plastic food boxes and use one in glass instead. I know you can buy some in aluminium instead if you're not gonna like microwave it, then you can use that, but I definitely need to microwave my food, so glass one is perfect for me. So some other things that I don't have, but that I will buy in the future when I got more money later on, is like a washing up soap, like a hard one instead of the liquid washing up soap you buy. You can buy soap nuts to wash your clothes with, and you will save, well, a lot of money, because you can use them for a long time and you don't need to buy the plastic packaging. And yeah, it just feels a lot, I think it's a lot better for your skin, for your clothes as well. And you should buy a razor in, for example, bamboo. So I hope you got some inspiration there for things you can do. And now I'm gonna take you with me food shopping. So let's see what we will buy this week. Oh, there is so much plastic. Look at this. You can buy the non-organic ones without the plastic, but then the organic ones are in plastic, and that's because they don't last as long, because they're not using like bad chemicals and things. So, well, you can't do it 100% right, obviously. These are organic. So now I'm back home and I'm gonna show you what we bought. So we got a lot of fruit, some apples, bananas, orange, lemon, kiwis, and then we bought mushrooms and some vegetables for lasagna. And we bought some other things. I'm gonna make a soup. Yeah, some almond milk. It's good. I could buy nuts in bulk. Some chickpeas, oats for breakfast, some pasta, and I'm gonna make protein bars. So I bought some dates and some other things for that. We are going to England on Wednesday and it's Saturday today, so this is only for a few days. But I hope you liked this video and that you got some inspiration for the plastic-free challenge. I hope you will join me. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!